In this video, we're going to walk you through step by step on how to use Graduate Explorer data from Steppingblocks with Tableau. Hi, my name is Carlos Martinez, founder and CEO here at Stepingblocks. I'm super excited to share with you the template that we've created for you in Tableau. So even if you're very new to Tableau or you've never used it, we prepared all of that for you so you can get you started. We're going to share with you how to install Tableau in your computer so you can start using either desktop or public. We're going to show you how to download data from Steppingblocks, a specific segment population of alumni that you can customize. And then we're going to show you how to connect Tableau with our data so you can leverage our template as well as create your own beautiful visualizations. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is download our graduate outcomes Tableau template from Tableau Public. But for this to work, you must have Tableau installed on your computer. So if you've never used Tableau, don't worry, it's straightforward to use, and our template is already pre-populated with a beautiful design. So let's get that ready. Use the link in the instructions to download Tableau Public or Tableau Desktop. The Tableau Desktop is a data visualization software that lets you see and understand data in minutes. Tableau Public is essentially the free version of the Tableau visualization software. It allows you to use most of the software functions, and you can create visualizations and connect with CSV, text, and Excel documents. All right, so once we've downloaded the version of Tableau on your computer, we need to download the graduate outcomes template. So we're going to click on the download icon at the top right of the dashboard and select Tableau Workbook. Once we downloaded it, we open the Tableau Workbook in our computer and navigate to the Instructions tab. Now that we've installed Tableau and downloaded the template, it's time for step 2. So let's get some real data. In this step, we will download data from the Stepingblocks Graduate Explorer and connect it with the Tableau Workbook. If you don't yet have an account with Stepingblocks, don't worry. You can skip this step and use the sample data that pre-populates the template. So next, go to the Graduate Insights portal and select Graduate Explorer. A complete tutorial on using Graduate Explorer is available in the dashboard, and the link is available at the end of the video as well. But for this example, we will look at graduates from one of my favorite universities, Georgia Tech, to understand how the class of 2012 is doing 10 years after graduation, now in 2022. So I will select Add Filters, click on Graduate Years option, and select the year 2012. This action will limit our population to anyone that graduated from Georgia Tech in the year 2012, whether they received a bachelor's, master's, or a doctorate. Next, we're going to click on the download icon here, and we'll have our data readily available in our desktop. Once we've downloaded our graduate data from Stepingblocks, it's time for step 3. Let's connect it to our Tableau Workbook. Now, let's go back to our Tableau Workbook and connect it to our Georgia Tech alumni data. We'll now navigate to the Data Source tab here at the bottom. Tableau will immediately prompt you to make a new data connection by selecting a file location. Next, we'll navigate to the folder where we downloaded the Georgia Tech alumni file to create the data connection. Once you've established the connection, we need to replace the sample dataset that was existing in the template with the dataset that we have downloaded from Graduate Explorer. We do this by navigating here to the data area and selecting the sample dataset, clicking here to remove it. The last step in this section is identifying our file and pulling it into the data area. See where it says drag tables here? So let's search for a Georgia Tech alumni file and drag it to the data area. Once you do this, you will see sample data show up at the bottom of the data section. I also recommend selecting extract from the connection type options. Tableau data extras are snapshots of data optimized for aggregation and loaded into system memory to be quickly recalled for visualization. Okay, now let's go back to our Instructions tab to customize our report. First, let's add a title, a subtitle, and the school's name. Then review the main tab to ensure your report titles are spelled correctly and are properly aligned. After that, you can make style changes to the existing dashboards, worksheets. You can clone pages, clone workbooks, or create your own analysis as you go through the report. In this workbook, we have incorporated the Stepingblocks color palette, so you can use their colors consistently across your dashboards. You may also style your own dashboards using your own brand and color scheme. There you have it. In just a few steps, you learn how to download Tableau, download data from Stepingblocks, and connect the data source to this data visualization software, which will allow you to customize and build your own analytics and reports. If you want to learn more about Stepingblocks, getting access to our data, please contact us or visit us at www.stepingblocks.com or follow the link at the end of the video.